Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by killing power and gaining access. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 2 minutes so electronics reset. This prevents shorts. Then raise the Durango and secure it on jack stands, not ramps, safety first. Remove the engine cover or air intake assembly that blocks the passenger side transmission area and set shop rags to catch fluid. Keep a 10 mm through 19 mm socket set, extensions, and a flashlight handy. Once done, locate the starter at the transmission bell housing and get ready to unclip wiring. You'll continue by dealing with the wiring. First label and photograph the connectors so reassembly is exact, then remove the small solenoid lead and the heavy battery cable. Use a hand to hold the nut to avoid drops. Support the starter from below with your hand or a jack because it's heavy and awkward. Remove the 2 to 3 mounting bolts. Use an extension or swivel socket if space is tight. Once free, pull the starter straight out. Inspect flywheel teeth and the gear for wear, and clean the mounting surface before installing the replacement. Install the new starter by aligning it with the bell housing, then hand thread the mounting bolts to avoid cross-threading. Tighten to the specified torque so the gear meshes correctly. Reconnect the heavy battery cable to the starter solenoid, then the small control lead. Make sure terminals are clean and tight. Reinstall any removed intake or covers, lower the vehicle, and reconnect the negative battery. Now start the engine while you watch and listen. If it clicks or fails to crank, check battery voltage, main ground, starter relay, and relevant.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.